from a trading standpoint, I think it's a perfect example of something that you don't even have to get into on a full-time basis.
Right.
You can have a job and see how, understand how the market works, do your research, do your education to get to a point where maybe you have a little bit of money coming in.
Mm-hmm.
And I think it's probably a good place to start from the trading standpoint of trading itself. And there seems to be this like stigma around day trading. The term day trading has almost turned into like a 4-letter word, for lack of a better term, over the past. I mean, it has, right? Like, you meet someone in a bar or you meet someone just wherever out on the street and you ask them what they do and they're like, "Oh, I'm a day trader."
Yeah.
Your initial reaction is always like, "Ugh."
Is
Another.
it? I don't know.
Well, I think that there's a bit of a stigma around that. But my point is, trading doesn't have to be intraday. Mm-hmm. Trading in general is simply the act of buying something at its current value with the hope and the aim of them being able to sell it at a higher value down the road. That can cover any time frame whatsoever. So from a broad standpoint, I think it's a good place to start in defining trading is not necessarily something you do between 9:30 when the market opens and 4 p.m.
I mean, there's different trading strategies and different methods to trading, right? And so I think that the one thing that you want to be able to do is pick your time, pick your spots, be able to trust what you're doing. And yeah, trading can be something where we put something on Monday morning and you come back and you look at it Wednesday, see how it's doing. Then you maybe look at it Friday while you're on your breaks. You try to figure out when's the best time to buy and sell shares and what exactly am I doing and why am I doing it?
Yeah.
There's trades like we'll make where you're buying and selling a couple times throughout the day. You have to be in front of a computer and that's going to take a little more time. But if you're just looking for basic strategies, I think especially coming through 2024, I mean, look at the year that we've had so far. There's individual names up huge. The market's up huge. This has been a great opportunity to sit around and throw some of this money that we have potentially on the sidelines into the stock market and pick and choose some names that make a lot of sense.
Yeah.
And you can buy and sell throughout the day. You can figure it out. But at the end of the day, it's a great opportunity to start to build some wealth. And you have to start now. And that's what we're going to talk about.